guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we'll learn how to build like the directive of render, like the if conditional and if statement and else statement. Okay, so this is the conditional rendering. So in this tutorial it will be just practically. So I'm going to create this like that be if directive at first. So just simply I will delete this. So at first the be directive is attached to an element in the template. We want to do conditional render. It was too similar like that regular JavaScript if statement, and in that it evaluate or the like the true or false condition. If the conditions prove true, then element will be rendered, or that is false, that it will be rendered false. Okay, so we'll check this. If number data property is 0, then only render element it is. Okay, so at first just I'll simply type here profs data, then just simply I'll if you want just simply delete this. So so state. Okay, so just it like that data here, data, and just simply I will here just return this. Just I'm going to create another return properties will be like that 0 and number. Just I will check it number. Okay, so that's it, 0. I will comment this line. Okay, so here just I will type here be directives like that in the inside of the paragraph tag. The number is 0, number is 0. Then here I will use it if directive like that, if number is equal 0, then it will be for true, or that is false, then it will be 0 false. Okay, so at first check it again, then it will be number equal 0, then it will true, and data gives the sum of the properties of data true. So this is, and you will check this, the number is 0. Okay, so because the condition like that proves true, the paragraph element will show in the browser, and like you will show that. Okay, so if we can change number of anything else, the expression becomes false and paragraph don't work, doesn't render here. Okay, so it is important to note what happens to the element at what expression returns false or true. Okay, so that's it. And view doesn't just hide it with CSS, and it completely remove the code from the HTML. So if you open the browsers like the developer tools, then just inspect this and console this. Okay, so waiting for the update signal from WDS. Okay, method like that, if directive and be directive like that. This is the view just if else statement. Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to discuss about this like that else if directive and just on things, and I will show it in the last tutorial. You know that like that number when number equals 0, then it will be showing last true, or then number equal 1, then here number is equal to 0, then it will be false, like that you can show that. Okay, then I will change this number equal number 0, then it will be showing this. Okay, this is the if method of in the Vue.js3. Okay, so in this tutorial we're gonna discuss about the else if statement. Okay, so let's start the coding. At first I will change this here, like that, return just show at first true, that's it. And here I will just change it here, just simply comment this line and paste it here. Okay, and control slash, then it will be comment. So at first you will change it like that, be else else if. Okay, so you know that number any additional evaluation that the be if directives doesn't cover is expressed in the be else if ladder, then the be else if directive cannot be stand on its own, must directly follow this be if in a separate element. Okay, so for that just simply type it here, be equal the 0, then here will be greater than 0. Okay, so this number is positive, that's it. And just simply copy this and just paste it here, and it will be just less than, when it will be like that, be else if statement number less than equal 0, then it will be negative, that's it. And simply type here show, and you know that, change it show, simply copy this here and just simply paste it here. Okay, so just show. Okay, that's it. And show, and it will be same. Just I'm going to change this name like that, data property here, and for that it will be just show. Okay, for this okay, so I will show that here this number is positive. Okay, so that's it. And here you will just change it false, then false, then what happened in this side, here is nothing result in this in your browser, like that. This is the main reason, because when shows number equals 0, then it will not like that, here false, it will be hidden from this your browser result. Okay, then it will check this again, and it will be like that 0 greater than, then it will be not will be positive. Okay, then it will be again show that it will not be negative, this is not negative. Okay, so just change it here true. Okay, so that's it, and you will change it again, and this number is positive. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. And in this just now I'm gonna finish this tutorial. Okay, if you want like this tutorial, then subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so thanks for watching.